G'day, Steve Walters from Walters Fencing. Today I'm super excited to show you around the Walters diagonal stay. Now we've been using a diagonal stay for nearly 30 years. Over that time we've changed it, modified, adapted it, so we feel this stay system that we're bringing to market is as good as we can get. The kit is what you see here. Stay pad with the raised section with the Rio in it to give you extra strength where it's needed. Stay pipe, stay rod, and your pieces to put it all together. 13mm step drill, and we've got a rattle gun with a 18mm socket. You don't need these, you can use normal high-speed steel drills. You can use a podge bar or a spanner, but these just make the job a bit quicker and easier. Okay, so to put the stay together or to fit it to the post, you can use it on a timber post, you can use it on a 4-inch post, 6-inch post. So first bit of kit is our bolt stick, and how this works is the bolt sits in there so you can put it through from the inside of the post. Now the bolt stick also has 2 marks on it, which allows you to set your height. They're approximate, don't have to be dead on, but 100mm off the ground and then 830 above that, so 930 high. We're going to drill 13mm hole here and down the bottom. If you haven't seen one, this is a step drill and they are super good. You've got a tiny little cutting point and then it just slowly enlarges the hole rather than the flight getting caught. So now we grab our bolt stick and our bolt, which sits in it like that, and our joiner. Now we're going to put our joiner on, so we just hold the bolt stick with one hand, put the joiner on. Righto, thanks to you. So the next thing we grab is our threaded rod. We then fit that into the joiner. So you want the threaded rod and the bolt to be about halfway through your joiner. But you just wind that in until they meet, and that gives you a nice solid. And the beauty of this is you've got some flexibility if you've got uneven ground about where that stay can go. Then you grab your stay pad and it sits about 200 from the end of the stay rod. And just thread that through the back. Just start the nut, that's all you need there. So you've got your stay point put together. You grab your stay. Make sure you've got gloves on for this, because in this weather it's hot. Sit it in the little groove or the recess in the stay. Feed that into the end of the pipe. And then you can just push that down till it engages in the hole. Obviously just wind that up by hand and do it up with a spanner. Boom, job done. Okay, what we're going to do now is actually show you in real time how long it takes to fit a Walters diagonal stay. Righto, so start the clock.
Sweet like wine, got honey on her tongue. One hand on a bottle, she got one hand on a gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done. I should be running from you, darling, now till kingdom come. Cause my mother told me as a child, boy, don't play around with fire, cause you might just end up getting burned. And I know the wicked never rest, so I always try my best. But there's some lessons hard for me to learn, like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls, yeah.
All done.